Today we're going to learn how to find a biography. Let's start at the Lehman College homepage, www.lehman.edu. Click Library on the top right portion of the screen. This will take us to the library homepage. From here, we will click on Databases. Select Browse Databases A to Z, and this takes us to the Databases page. Choose Subjects, Biography. Click Search, and that will narrow down the databases to only those related to biographies. For this project, a good database to start out with is Biography Reference Source. Scroll down until you find the link to Biography Reference Source, and then select it. This takes you to a page for this database. Click Access Database. At this point, if you're off campus, you'll be prompted to log in. Log in using your CUNY First login. If you're on campus, you'll be taken directly to the database. We'll let the database load up. And we land on its home page. In the search box, type the name of the person you're looking for. In this case, I'm searching for Judy Garland. Type in the name, then click the magnifying glass button to do a search. We'll then be presented with a list of results. A biography is a factual account of somebody's life. It includes information about important events and dates in that person's life, such as their date of birth, important milestones, and when they died. Biography Reference Source includes many biographies and lists them in the results as biography. But we have to be careful because this tool and many of our other databases also include other types of sources that may have biographical information, in other words, information about a person's life, such as newspaper and magazine articles. And you may see them listed as periodical, ebook, or other types of results. For this assignment, we will want to ignore those and only choose the ones listed as biographies. Once you've found a biography, select Access Now or select the title. Wait for the page to load, and you'll see a page for the biography. On this page, you can see information about the article. You can also click Access Now to get the full text. If you're finding a biography for the Theater 327 class, you will want to find an obituary from the New York Times later. To do that, make sure you find the person's date of death. This is sometimes listed at the top of the article, but other times you have to read through the article to find it, as is the case in this biography. As we scroll through this article, we will see that her date of death is June 21st, 1969. If you can't find the person's date of death, that may mean the person is still alive, and you can't use the person for the Theater 327 assignment. In that case, you will need to choose another figure. If you can't find a biography of your person in this tool, I recommend you try some of our other biography databases, like Gale eBooks, or reach out to a librarian. Thanks for watching.